You want to go pick some tomatoes with me? Keep watching. Hey everyone, it's April with My Crazy Creative Life, and thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me. If you watched my videos a few weeks ago, you've seen that I went to, and I called them Amish, and I apologize for that. They're actually Mennonites, but we went to their farm and got some tomatoes and the peppers and all of that. If you watched any of my other videos, especially the salsa video, you've seen that. Anyway, we are getting ready to head back and go pick some paste tomatoes. I'm wanting to make some thicker tomato sauce and definitely some, I think, pizza sauce and possibly some spaghetti sauce. Anyway, oh, I'm also going to see if they have any onions and then whatever else may catch your eye. So if that sounds fun, if you want to go with me and go watch us pick some paste tomatoes at the Mennonite farm, then keep watching. Forgive my appearance. I'm wore out, but we're still going to go on anyway. I've been trying to do a few things today, and one thing is I am trying to get my fall decorations out. So that's one thing I've been trying to get done today, and hopefully that video will be out fairly soon. So just kind of look over me if I say something stupid or do something stupid or look stupid, then you know I'm just tired. Let's pick some tomatoes. Goodness. It's like skin, but yet more. I don't know, it's crazy. Burning up, but it was worth it. And I even got something that I've been wanting. I'll show you here in a second. So this is what I got. I've been wanting some apples to either can some, like make some applesauce, or just to fry. I mean, a good old fried apple that turns like into an applesauce. Oh my goodness. So, and we may even have some biscuit gravy tomorrow with some fried apples. And then I got some onions. They had them in the Dollar Tree for paying on or $12 a box. So anyway, I'll show you the stuff once we get it out on the table. Even had to stack them. Well, that's it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for going along the ride with us. And if you would give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I really hope you do. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, and you sure could help me out. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. And I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.